I came to the class to get more information on the powder coating. Planning on starting a business with my son. Neither one of us have ever done any powder coating before, so it's an educational experience. The instruction that Joey gives, he gives you from someone that started early in the business, who made money powder coating and is doing what he does now, building the equipment. It's definitely not geared towards the company selling their product. It was geared towards information in the powder coating business.